I want to make you aware of a big change that's coming for businesses in 2019. A big change that's going to affect the tax and accounts for your business, but a big change that most business owners don't seem to be aware of, despite the fact it's going to impact all of them from 1st of April 2019. You see, we've made it our mission to make sure that not only all of our clients, but also as many other businesses as possible are fully aware of the changes that are coming next year. The change is called Making Tax Digital, or MTD. As the name suggests, this is all about moving all your accounting and specifically your tax records into digital software. And that digital software must be able to talk to HMRC systems. So it's quite specific. It can't just be any old software. It can't just be Excel. HMRC recently said that only 12% of businesses use software to submit their VAT returns. Now, as there are 2.1 million VAT registered businesses, that means over 1.8 million aren't ready for Making Tax Digital. And if you're not ready, it's going to cause a lot of trouble because you must submit your VAT returns via MTD compliant software from April 2019. And if you can't, then you're likely to be fined. Now, you have a great business and you're busy running that business. It's not your job to obsess about the details. I run a business. I don't spend my time obsessing about employment law or GDPR or Brexit. I pay someone else to do that. And in this instance, it's not your job to obsess about Making Tax Digital. That's my job, and I can help you. Now, I could go into a lot of detail on this video, but what would be more useful is to have a chat. Because like I said, we've made it our mission to be experts in Making Tax Digital and making sure business owners are compliant. We spent the last few years working with cloud software, and the software we use is 100% ready for MTD. Therefore, we know what you need to do. We'd be happy to sit down and have a free meeting with you to make sure that you know what you need to do, and if it would be useful, to help you get there. Because it's not something you can just do in April. You can't just flick a switch and be compliant. You need to prepare beforehand. We can make sure you are compliant before it's too late. If you're not ready for a chat right now, we do have a series of videos on MTD, so please take a look. We don't want you to get caught out, so if you would like a free, no obligations chat for us to explain MTD and see if we can help you get ready, please get in touch using the details below.